Alright, so I downloaded this morning and shit, and I gotta say my first impression is not even trying to sound fat, you know what I'm saying, but it looks good. Like I want to eat it, like I want to drink it, you know what I'm saying, like I want to eat it. It looks good. I feel like it would be like, you know, it looks like it's good. I mean, which is a good thing. So you don't want to look at something that looks ugly. So that's like good and shit. So alright, let's see, bro. Let's see what's up with this shit. Oh man, this shit's one of them purity shits, man, which purity is not fun. But you know, I never made a preset on purity. Why would I do that? What are you, crazy? I've been seeing people comparing this shit, you know what I'm saying, like, is this better than serum? From what I've seen in my short amount of time, you can't fuck with this shit like you can fuck with serum, bro. Let me show you, man. Like, you can't do this shit like, you know what I'm saying, because this is more like, it's like a wavetable synth and all that stupid shit. Like, you just morph this shit, and there we go. We got 256 fucking tables and shit. So you know what I'm saying, you make your own wave. You can't make a waveform on that shit. And if I go up in here, let's click the delay, and I go on the mod, and I click on modulate the frequency, the BW. You can't do all this kind of shit, you know what I'm saying? So hey, I'm just saying, like, anybody out there, you can't really compare the two, right? Because Zenology is more of like a PCM type of synth, which is like a rompler type of shit, feel me? Like, you get the shit and you can fuck with it. Serum, you can do pretty much anything, but this shit, bro, you got the tools, you know what I'm saying, you got the cheat codes. I mean, that's the cheat codes, but there's no such thing as a perfect synth. Hey, that's how it goes. I just needed to get that out the way for people who don't know the difference in different types of synthesis and shit. Oh no, I'm on a cold beer, bro. Alright, so now you know the difference between the different types of synthesis methods and shit, you know what I'm saying? I'll put a little more on the screen. Alright, so now we kind of know what we're working with, right? I'll tell you what, like, the first hour that I downloaded this shit, it was kind of annoying, because I was like, how do I access the second partial, you know what I'm saying? Which, hey, partial just means like a synth layer, you feel me, and shit. So, and you gotta click on this shit. Alright, see, we got the second one. You gotta click around here. You gotta click around this shit. Let's I can't say I fuck with it. I mean, you know what I'm saying, they could have had it like right here. They're like, oh, layer 1 2 3 4. Well, you can fit it. You could just 1 2 3 4. And like I'm saying, they trying to make this shit all cute, like dry and effects, like with the don't be scared of this shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's they just trying to make it look like the old shit, but it's English, you know what I'm saying? It's all right, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh, this ain't no geometry, bros. It's just they just trying to be cute. All right, so let's make first stupid ass sound on this shit, man. Like I'm saying, up here, these are your synth layers. You know what I'm saying? You got 4 of them. You can have like up to 8 oscillators and all that stupid shit. You know what I'm saying? That's what makes the sound of shit. And PCM is sample based. Now you got like a million gajillion of these bitches. I mean, jeez, the hell's gonna get through all this shit? You know what I'm saying? So, but they got a separator, right? You can just click on this shit. PA, that's you know what I'm saying, it's like the old shit, because that's virtual analog, you know what I'm saying, because this is a virtual instrument, but it's trying to sound analog and shit. Who cares? PCM sync, yeah, who gives a shit? A super saw, that, you know what I'm saying, that's just like a bunch of saws and shit together. So alright, so I've been leading up to this point because this is the most impressive thing about this synth, in my opinion, and it's the goddamn filter, bro. I mean, Jesus Christ, bro. How do you do this? I could never make my filter, you know, like hiss or ring in this type of way that this shit does. You know what I'm saying? I mean, so here's this project I'm working on. I made these 3. So this first preset I made is just a super saw with a filter envelope, and that's what makes it giving it that evolving sound. It's like it's opening and closing, right? So that's like whatever shit, I don't know. I don't care. I don't even care about anything. And this sound is just a synth, like it's like a choir, vocoder, one of them bullshits with a LFO filter on that shit. So it's like this shit. You feel me? That's why it's like, it sounds like all cubicle and shit. It's cause this shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, hey, now you starting to get it. Now you starting to get it. Shit. And the last one is literally the same thing, except I made it a little deeper with the frequencies of the filter and all that stupid shit. It's like these like some other presets that I didn't make, you know, and shit, so. I mean, that's like that's a couple drums away from being a certified street classic, you know what I'm saying, for the streets, you know what I'm saying, whatever, man. Let me stop bullshitting and shit. That should be about it, but I mean, like, I can't leave out the pro edit. I mean, it's big as, that shit big as fuck. I mean, you don't really gotta, I mean, if you wanna worry about it, you know what I'm saying, you can, but shit, I ain't worried about it, so fuck it. I could figure it out right now, but I just don't want to. Alright, I'm gonna see what I come up with, but I'm gonna just cook up some other bullshit, you know what I'm saying? Come up with some new presets probably. I mean, I'll type them out.
Trapaholics mixtapes. Gold all in my chain, gold all in my ring, gold all in my watch. Don't believe me, just 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 watch. Gold all in my chain, gold all in my ring, gold all in my watch. Don't believe me, just 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 watch. Nigga.